So we just got to Portland and we went through like a hardcore parking fiasco, but this is our pit setup. But before we get going, I'm gonna get the bike all SC1'd up because we can't be looking bad in front of everybody. So. I hate I can back with it. I like it.
To get the license here and progressively grow where we're seeing maybe some.
Dude, track is so bad. I was looking at people in the pits, or like in staging. It's like 50-50 who has a hot shoe. So I just went out for practice and the track was pretty bad. It was really ruddy, really bumpy, not like typical flat track. This race is gonna be pretty bunk. I'm gonna have a hard time with it, but it's gonna be fun to watch all the super hooligans and all the like the 450 pros and whatnot. But you can see all the clay is all over the bike. The track has too much water in it, so when all the bikes go on it, it kind of like makes big old clay ruts, and the suspension's not really made for that. So it's a tough track, but we're gonna do what we can, go look at the show, and I think right now me and Isaac are gonna go get some food because I haven't eaten yet and I got like 3 hours of sleep last night. So I'm gonna go find some food and I'll show you guys some of the bikes in there because they have a bunch of bikes on show, so we'll go show you guys the bikes and get some food. Can I get 2 pepperoni pizzas? Yeah. Awesome, thank you. Dude, this guy is literally out here with one arm on a Harley converted to a flat track bike. I'll try to show it. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm trying. Oh, it is down. on. So practice, the track was really rough. It's hard for me to get comfortable. And then going into my first heat, I got a really bad start. And I think I got like second to last or somewhere back in the pack, something like that. So that put me into the semi, and the semi is basically like a last chance qualifier for the main. And then in the footage for the semi, my bike died like second to last lap or something like that. I think I was in third or fourth. So pretty bummer night, but the racing's fun to watch. So we're gonna go in and keep finishing watching the racing.
Yeah, you guys want an autograph or selfie or some shit?
So
I do got silver.
cool.
Most people are wearing black these days. There we go, man.
What? I thought you guys were gonna bring these out there.
Yeah, we are at 8:30.
8:30. Is it a special main with you two or what?
Yes, I don't know what they're doing, but I guess this morning when I went to go ride, they were like, the track's too fast for a dirt bike, so I would just kick everybody's ass.
I was telling them, I was like, dude, if I just brought my motocross bike with some knobbies, dude.
Oh, so good. It's so tacky.
Yeah, do those ruts.
What up?
We're gonna give you some.
Look at these track conditions.
You know, that's the one thing. Everyone come and tell me, man, the track sucks.
One, go! Yeah, here we go. Super 74 race going down the back straight. Oh, they go down. Ronnie Mac just ended up in the Enticer's butt crack. That was amazing. And here we go, the Ronnie one in the lead. He's a cool electric. Oh, he goes for the pass on the inside. Coming for the checker flag. Here they go with a final lap pass.
All right, so that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope the content came out good. Today was super hectic because the race organizers were like really unorganized, so it made everything I was doing just really hectic. And so I hope all the content I got kind of makes sense and kind of goes in for the day. But just to summarize it, it was the one pro race in Portland, which is like a flat track race with a motorcycle show in the background. So it's fun. There's beer, there's motorcycles and flat track and all that. So it was really fun. We ran into Ronnie Mac and Larry Enticer, and there's a few other big people there. Unfortunately, I didn't do really well in the races, but the track was really, really bad, and it was just, I just wasn't feeling it. So go ahead and like the video and subscribe and check out my Instagram for all the behind the scenes stuff, and if you want to check up on my bikes and all that. But yeah, thanks for watching.